Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying basics fast. Confirm modem and router have power and steady lights, and that cables are seated. Once done, disable airplane mode and make sure the Wi-Fi adapter is enabled in settings. Next, run the built-in Windows Network troubleshooter to detect common faults automatically. This saves time by applying simple repairs like resetting the adapter or correcting proxy flags. If the troubleshooter lists a fix, accept it, and then retest connectivity before moving to deeper steps. You now perform the technical fixes that resolve most stubborn issues. Open an elevated command prompt and run ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew, then ipconfig/flushtons to clear address and name caches. Once done, reset WinSock with netch WinSock reset and reboot to reinitialize sockets. If problems persist, open Device Manager, update or uninstall/reinstall the network adapter driver. Use the vendor driver if Windows default fails. Make sure to test with both Wi-Fi and a temporary Ethernet cable to isolate wireless hardware. You finish by doing a comprehensive network reset in Settings Network Reset, which reinstalls adapters and clears custom configurations. Restart when prompted. Then verify your modem and router firmware and ISP outage status. If possible, connect the PC directly to the modem via Ethernet to rule out Wi-Fi issues. Finally, try alternate DNS servers such as 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to bypass DNS problems. If nothing works, contact your ISP with the steps you took.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.